Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how to set dark theme in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you set dark theme in Redmi 10 phone? Today I'm going to tell you about how to do it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So it's now time to start video. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your setting app. After, guys, come on lock screen. Sorry friends, come on display. Sorry, come on display, friends. After, guys, you can see dark mode. So as you can see dark theme and dark mode, right? Click here, set to dark mode on, guys. Click on, guys, only dark mode only. Come back, guys, so you can see dark mode setting, guys. So I think, friends, you have understood how to on dark mode setting in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.